Hello. Continuing with phrasal verbs, we have clear out. Clear out means leave or evacuate. Everybody clear out. We have closed. Close down. Close down means close a place permanently. The shop closed down because of ceiling. Crack up or crack up at means laugh uncontrollably or laugh a lot. When I told the joke, they all cracked up, or I cracked up at his joke. Die down. Die down means diminish in intensity. The controversy about the pesticides in cola drinks finally died down. Die off or die out. Become extinct. Whales are in danger of dying out or dying off. Dress up. Dress up means wear elegant clothes. I always like to dress up well. Dress down. Dress down means dress casually. I'm dressing down because I'm going to a beach. Drop in. Drop in means visit someone unexpectedly. My friend dropped in last evening with his wife and children. Drop out of. Drop out of means quit an organized activity. You know, it's difficult to get a good job if you drop out of secondary school. Drop over. Visit someone casually. Drop over anytime you feel like chatting with me. Disagree with means cause to feel sick due to food or drink. Oil and pungent food disagree with my health. Do away with. Do away with means abolish. Many people are in favor of doing away with death penalty. Eat out. Eat out means to eat in a restaurant. Today let's eat out for a change. Or tonight all my friends are going to eat out for a change. Eat away. Eat away means gradually destroy or erode. The heavy rains ate away the nearby huts. Egg on. Egg on means to urge on. My friends egged me on to perform on stage. Fall out. Fall out means to quarrel. Whenever I fall out with my best friend, I become very sad. Fall in with. Fall in with means to agree to. I found it difficult to persuade the management to fall in with my advice. Fall back on. Fall back on means to make use of in an emergency. If Ramesh doesn't get this job, he can fall back on his father's support. Fall through. To fail to take place or fail to happen. The industry fell through for want of adequate funds. Our sports even fell through because of rain. Fall off. Fall off means decrease. His interest in the shop fell off when he realized it would not be profitable. Find out. Find out means discover. It is impossible to find out his secrets. Fix up. Fix up means renovate, repair or remodel. My aunt is fixing her house up. Excuse me. Fill in. Fill in means to complete. Means to complete a form with. Please fill in your name and address here. Fill in for. Fill in for means substitute for. My friend filled in for me for 2 days to take board classes because I was not well. Fill up. Fill to the top. Fill the cup up with coffee, my friend said. Get off. Get off means to leave a bus. I got off near Air Force Station and walked to my school. Get on with. Get on with means to agree or to work well together. The two partners get on very well with each other. Get over. Get over means to recover. Kavita was overcome with grief at her father's death, but she is gradually getting over it. Get through. Get through means to succeed in some examination, to make a successful phone call complete on, जैसे she could not get through the written test. It took me half an hour get through to Ramesh. It's a difficult to get through all these assignment by 9 p.m.